Passion, ambition, will, dream, purpose. Beautiful words. But without one specific thing, they are completely worthless. How many times have you watched a video like this and felt a spark? You tell yourself, tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow I start the business. Tomorrow I hit the gym. Tomorrow I change my life. But tomorrow comes, and it looks exactly like yesterday. You've built a comfortable prison out of two words. One day when I have more money. One day when I have more time. One day when I feel ready. Let me tell you a brutal truth nobody wants to admit. One day is a mirage. It's a placeholder for fear. It's the lie you tell yourself so you can sleep at night without feeling guilty for abandoning your potential. Look at the calendar. There is no one day on it. You don't need more motivation. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings fade when you're tired. You don't need the perfect conditions. Perfect conditions are a myth created by people who never start. You only need a decision. You need to take that giant, terrifying mountain of a dream, drag it into the present moment, and rename it. You have to flip the script. Draw a line in the sand. Today is not just another Tuesday. Today is not just another blank page. Today is day one. Day one of the new routine. Day one of the uncomfortable conversation. Day one of building the life you actually want to live, instead of just dreaming about it. It's supposed to be hard. It's supposed to hurt. If it were easy, everybody would be doing it. The pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret lasts forever. So look at your life, look at your goals. One day or day one, it's your choice.